In this episode of I Tried It, I provide a 3-month update on this side hustle that claims that you can make $55K per month with TikTok without lifting a finger. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the process. We're going to talk about the original video, my results after 3 months, and if this is worth your time. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn if you should try this side hustle that claims that you can make $55K per month without lifting a finger. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at this side hustle. I'm going to give you an overview of what this original video is about, saving you time. I'm gonna tell you how much money I made, and I'm actually going to include some people that are doing the same thing and their results. So let's go ahead and get started. So the original video says that you're not going to lift a finger. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Google and you're going to type in pixels to find royalty videos of drone footage, lifting fingers by typing in the word drone footage, Google, and so on. After that, you are going to download those videos to your computer. Then you're going to go back to Google. You're going to type in motivational quotes. Again, typing in the words motivational and quotes, lifting multiple fingers again. You're going to open up these websites and you're simply going to copy the motivational quotes and you are going to paste them right into a video editing platform so that you can upload them into TikTok. But the final step is you will actually type more words and you will find free, royalty-free motivational music. You're going to download that to your computer and then you are going to add that to the videos as well so that you can potentially make money. After lifting several fingers, you are going to magically upload these to TikTok and then you are going to make money in a variety of ways. You're going to make money with affiliate marketing, so recommending other people's products and services. You're going to make money with TikTok, and the original video also suggests that you upload the same videos over to YouTube and anywhere else videos are allowed to be uploaded. So that's exactly what I did for 3 months. I uploaded 2 videos every single day. So the interesting thing is I've done a few of these videos where I've given you updates onto this method. There have been a lot of comments about it saying that I'm not uploading the right type of content, haven't given enough time, all sorts of stuff, defending Jay and his method. One person in particular that really stood out to me, the person said they have 40,000 followers following this method, 40,000 followers on TikTok, which is a huge feat, but they've only made $100 following this method. I'm going to tell you why at the end of this video, why they're not earning any money. But let's go ahead and take a look at my results after doing this for 3 months straight. So the channel name is Motivational 1984. I have a grand total of 20 followers and 202 likes. You need 1,000 followers to put a link in your description or a link in your bio. I have uploaded 2 videos every single day. The original videos, people complain that the text on the screen, the overlay wasn't good enough. It wasn't appealing enough. Then I made a switch up here more recently where I added in that game footage that seems to be real popular. That didn't do much either. Then I actually had some captions that were made for me a few years ago for Instagram. I made those captions into videos and you can see those didn't do well. And then I actually spent money. I went over to Fiverr and I hired a person to give me 10 motivational videos. And as you can see, those didn't do well either. So for all the people, in fact, the best one here had 603 views from Pitbull. Arnold Schwarzenegger got 0 views, which is kind of disheartening. But so to all the people that claim that the content's the problem, the content's not the problem. It's the method, okay? This method is too saturated for someone to start in 2022. There's a number of problems and I'm going to try and address all of them. One is this method's too saturated. There's so many people that have already done this that it just doesn't work anymore. If I type in motivational videos like this, you're going to see there are literally hundreds, if not thousands of videos of people doing the exact same thing. And that's a problem. Number 2, there's no connection to the content creator. And that's probably why the person's only made $100. Because these are celebrities, because these are just random videos that have motivational quotes. There's no connection. And people want to buy from people they can build a connection with. Think about, for example, your buying habits. Do you feel more comfortable buying from a person that has a face and they're looking you in the eye and they're shaking your hand, or they're talking to you virtually, connecting with your problems? Or do you feel comfortable buying from an AI robot? I get that question a lot. Do you feel comfortable buying from a shadowy figure or a corporation that is faceless? The answer is, every single day of the week, you feel much more comfortable buying from a person. These videos are good for getting views. Some of them are good for getting views, but not very good for converting those views into money. Okay. So that's problem number 2. Problem number 3 is it's just saturated. What I'd recommend that you do, if you really want to try this method, I don't recommend that you try this method, but if you really want to try this method, you need to add in your own unique voice to it. Okay. People will only buy from other people if they feel like they are unique. And you creating this mass produced content that's heavily saturated at this point, no one is going to feel comfortable clicking on a link because they don't trust you. They don't trust this person. They don't know the person. They know who Muhammad Ali is, for example, but they also know Muhammad Ali is passed away. And Muhammad Ali is not on TikTok creating content. They want to buy from you. People have no problem buying stuff. They have a problem buying from you because you are not authentic. And that's why this method, I would say, doesn't work. But let's talk about some methods that do work. You could start a TikTok account today and you could be successful today. What you'd want to do, what I recommend that you do, is find a product that you have recently purchased. And you're going to create content about that product. That product can be as small as this Ring indoor camera. This content could be about water balloons. It doesn't matter. You get on camera and you talk about something. You look into the camera and you talk about something. People will buy from you because they feel a connection. There are millions of people, if not billions of people, that buy these water balloons. You talk about the pros and cons of these water balloons. You talk about what they're great for. They're great for having a water balloon fight fast, because one of the biggest problems about water balloon fights is it takes a long time to set up. But with these water balloons, and this isn't an ad for water balloons, but with these water balloons, it cuts the setup time in half and you can get to the fun faster. That is a great hook. You want to have more fun faster? Get these water balloons. Simple, really easy. And if you want to be successful online, you have to be willing to show your face and take risks, and you have to be willing to be authentic and be real. This method will not work for most people because there's too many people already doing it. You will not be successful with this method. Again, I've uploaded, if I go back to my account here, I've uploaded 2 videos every single day, different types of videos, lifting multiple fingers, and have yet to get more than 21 followers. Okay? You can be successful online, but you have to be unique, you have to be original, and you have to bring a different angle. If you're doing the exact same thing as everybody else, there's no new angle. This video is a new angle. That's why you're watching it. That's why people have connected with me. That's why I have earned 20,000 subscribers here on YouTube in the last 28 days, because this is a new angle on a topic that's been covered again and again and again. I'm sure that if you looked on YouTube, there are 10, 20, 30 videos telling you to do this TikTok copycat method, but this is the only video that is a new angle. It's an original video. It has original thought. That's why people are connecting with me. That's why people watch these videos, because I have a new angle that's different than anybody else. And if you want to make money online in 2023, you need to have a new angle. Stop being like everybody else. Stop doing the same things as everybody else. You can get into any niche, any market, but you have to have a new angle that is different from everybody else. Now that you know that this method will not work for you, click the first link in the description for my free affiliate marketing planners. Those planners will help you plan and organize your online business so that you can make more money online. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start to get your free planners today. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.